Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a quick performance report for Brad in Ohio on this used Connex Saturn. Brad, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, about a half a watt, right at 5 watts all the way up. Go over to 100-watt slug average power. Hear the monitor radio in the back, it's 20 watts average. Peak power, about 44. Roll it down there to about 2 watts. See the spectrum analyzer, it's clean as can be. Look up on the oscilloscope, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's good to go. Hey Brad, I hope you enjoy it. From Truck CB Sales at gmail.com and www.truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.